Good morning, Bastien Mahé from BVN Real Estate in Juan del Sur. Today we are in between or very near Playa Escamequita and Playa Yankee. So two very nice beach. I call them like virgin beaches because you have no bar, no restaurant. It's sometimes a complicated access to go there. So it's a 15-20 minute walking distance from the beach. It will be like a 5-minute drive to Playa Yankee. And we are here, it's a new community established with 11 lots. Lots are about a quarter acre to third acre, leased in between $22 or $20 to $25,000, accepting financing. So 3 lots on the 11 has been sold. Which one it is? You have this one that has been sold. You have one in the middle we will see, and one on the back also. So here we have, for example, lot 1. So it's a big quarter acre lot. 40 per, so it's like 1200 square meters, big quarter acre. Could be like a commercial lot, opening like a Airbnb, bed and breakfast. It could be also any type of resale business, so it could be like a grocery store, restaurant. And then the residential lot. So here he has been cut to let the water pass. It will be paved on the side for the water canals to go down and out of the development. You have only contribution is for the water maintenance. So it's a very low HOA community. So here I'm on the second lot, you see, they are clear and it's until the grass there. So it's about 30-35 meters deep. So I'm here on the southwest orientation. My north will be here. Here will be east and south will be over here. So we share the entrance with a development on the back called El Silencio. El Silencio offer like ocean view lot, but I will say that the access is still not very good. So it's here our access is easier. Lots are flat and easy to build. So it's nothing to compare to develop. So here it was lot 4, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, and it has been sold. And you see the buyer is starting his constructions. So we will have 3 bedrooms with a pool. I've just seen the architect map, and it will be something nice. So just before, from this tree over there, you see you have like trees that keeps privacy and makes survey line between the property. Over there also, I will say you have still some fruit trees. So they had put some fruit trees between mangoes. Here it's a jocote tree. They are like green bay. It's very good. So the water is provided through a well and give to anybody. The well is safe. Forgot how deep it is, but he has water all year. Also, we have the public water over there on the main coastal road. So in the future, the owner is planning also to bring the water. It could be a solution. Normally, you have to build here with your own septic tank, under the construction. So we see they are like putting the foundation now. So here we are, I forgot the number of the lot, but could it be 4, 5, 6? So here we are in lot 7. I like lot 7 to have these trees on the side, one on the back outside our property, but give us shade, and one here on the side, give the limit also with the lot number 6. So it's good choice. Lot 7, I forgot the price, but I will list it and put it on our comment. So it was a 15-minute drive to Juan del Sur. We have 5-minute drive from Playa Yankee. Playa Yankee, it's one of the nicest beaches you can find all over around Nicaragua. Also a very good spot to surf. Bit complicated. It's like a ball, but it's beach break.